it's already 11:30, so till 12 o'clock I can't say you good afternoon. So very good morning to all of you. And today we have gathered over here for the Intellect Meet, as you all are aware about it. And I would like to wish you all the best, that you perform your talent very nicely, because Mohini ma'am has given us a very good title, that is Talent Search Engine, and which we really need to prove to our judges. That is Beechal ma'am and Shrikant sir, they are going to be our judges. So we would like to welcome them as well for judging us. As well as, you have to really prove yourself that you have really done a research on something, and you have really proved yourself to the judges as well. So now, the thing is that you have to be very confident enough to give your things and to convey your things. Be quite confident and don't hesitate to show your talent as well. And the third thing is that the bell is going to be rung after 12 minutes. On 12 minutes it will be rung as a warning bell, which will be that will be a warning for you that you are going to get only 3 minutes more for your session to get over. And the second bell will be at 15 minutes, which will show that you have to complete your session. So the presentation, when it will be over, if you are going beyond that thing, then there would be a negative marking. So please be aware about it. And to throw away your sleep, I will call any of the 3 teachers which have to wish me good morning in any manner. Okay, like good morning, in that way you are going to tell me anyhow, but it will be any 3 teachers. I'll be choosing randomly. The teachers who I'll feel they are dozing right now, I'm going to collect those teachers only. So please broaden your eyes and ma'am. Was good? Okay. So what was tasty, sir?
Delicious.
Which one?
Everything.
What was the most tastiest?
Vegetable was tasty.
Okay. I would be starting this session, the second session, with a very short story. In fact, it is taken from a Bible. It is a very short piece which is taken from the Bible, which is related to a parent with the child. We see that parents are underestimating child at certain level. But here the story says that the child is underestimating the parent, which gives a wrong effect to the life of the parent. So the story begins in that way. I had heard this story when I was in my school days. So I don't remember exactly the name of that boy and the teacher. Now there was a little boy who was very much demanding. बहुत ही demand होती थी उसकी कि मुझे ये चाहिए वो चाहिए. At the age of like 5 years, we can say he would be in junior KG. So what happened, like his parents used to always fulfill the demand, like whatever he will say, they would be getting it. Whether it is costly, whether it's cheap, whether it's whatever. So they would be finishing the demand. Now this was a raise to the habit of that child, which inculcated in his mind that whatever I will be asking, I would be getting that from my parents. Because he started to take the parents into a granted way, as well as what he used to do, that whenever he used to go to the school, same thing he implemented on the teachers. So that was the habit which he culminated in his mind, which was the beginning of the adverse effect in his mind, as well as to the troublesome for the parents as well as the teachers. Now at the age of, we can say around about 16, that would be in the 10th standard, we can say that child would be in the 10th standard. Now his demand became more expensive, like it won't be possible, like your financial condition is not going to be that much reasonable. आपकी कभी financial condition down भी हो सकती है, कभी भी बढ़ भी सकती है, तो it is not possible कि every time अपने child की जो demands होती है वो आप पूरी कर पाओगे. When he came in the 10th standard, he told to his father that, father, if I am going to score good marks, you are going to buy a bike for me. So what did the father do? He was capable enough to buy the bike. Now bike is not that much costly. It can be like 60,000 or 65,000 maximum. So father told that, okay, you get the scoring. So he started to give and take the thing. That's barter. मैं ये करूँगा तो आपको मुझे ये देना है, which is a wrong effect on the child's mind. So what happened? The father got the bike for him. Now he was feeling that whatever I'll be doing, I would be getting the reward for that. As soon as he came in the college days, he told to his father that if I finish my graduation with a good scoring, what you are going to do is that you are going to buy me a car, which was extremely expensive, which cannot be afforded by the father. So father told that, no, I can't buy you the car because it is not possible for me to buy you that car. So you need to understand. The child started to underestimate the parent. He told that no, like you have fulfilled my demand so many years. So now why you can't do this for me? So the father was trying to explain that child so much, but still he wasn't able to understand what the father was trying to say. Now what happened was that father thought that whatever will happen, now this child has challenged me that why you are not doing this for me. So the father took the debits and credits and all the things. He collected the money from the friends and everywhere, and he gathered the money to buy that car for the child. Now when the child is coming home, he is asking that where is the car. So after he got the results and everything, the results were quite good and the demand was also fulfilled. But the parent wanted that the child shouldn't be knowing before his birthday arrives. So he was waiting that his birthday will come and at that time I would be gifting him the car. Now what happened was that the child became too much aggressive. He didn't listen to his father, didn't understand the feeling of that father. उसने father की कोई feeling समझी नहीं. And what happened was that he left the house. उसने घर छोड़ दिया. And he told that मुझे यहाँ पे रहना ही नहीं है and I'm going to leave the house and I'm not going to see you forever. पूरी lifetime में मुझे आपको देखना ही नहीं है. And the father was so much touched because the father didn't have the wife. The only two person were staying in the house. वो दोनों ही रहते थे. There was nobody. So he was very felt apart कि मुझे इसने ऐसे क्यों किया. Obviously अगर आपका बच्चा होगा आपको ऐसे छोड़ देगा. When you are fulfilling the demands and only one time if you don't do it, and that too even you are finishing and but the opposite person is not listening to you, you are going to fall back. So same thing हुआ कि like he left the house and after like 10 years he returned back to home. Now when he's returning back to home, there was a Bible. In that Bible there was a cover. Now that cover was having that key of the car. जो कार की जो की थी उसने उसके पापा ने वो एनवलप में रखी हुई थी, which he presented to him. उसने बोला कि ये मैं आपके लिए लाया था. वो चिट्ठी बना के उसने रखी थी उसमें. पर क्या वो उस टाइम पे उसने निगलेक्ट कर दिया. जो बच्चा था जब उसके साथ रहता था फादर के साथ, he neglected it and he just threw that Bible and went away from the house at that time. But suddenly he realized that I want to see my father. So he came back home. वो घर पे वापस आया and फिर बाद में उसने देखा कि वहाँ पे बाइबल जैसी थी वैसी ही पड़ी हुई थी. So he just took that Bible, he started to open that, flip the pages and he saw that envelope. उसने envelope देखा तो there was a very emotional letter written by the father. उसने बोला कि I have fulfilled your demands for these many years but I didn't wanted to disappoint you, but I was waiting for their birthday to come and I wanted to present you the key of that car. And at that time the child realized that my father actually wanted to present me the key which was kept in the envelope. So at that time the child realized that I had really underestimated my parent. If I would have been with the father and understood the feelings of that father, this wouldn't have been happened. So he lost his father and when he went home he found out that his father was no more. So this was a piece of story from the Bible. Wonderful information regarding music, which I think I wasn't that much aware about what you have given the information. Now there will be a short video clip which you will be seeing it and I'm going to ask each and every person what did you see in that and what is your imagination regarding that video clip.